Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a plunger and I will be using a Sharpie and color pencils. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every day. And you can always request something for me to draw as well by commenting below. So then let's get started. So here is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description box below to buy products. And I also put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have any requests or comments, let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to draw something as well, let me know, and I will do my best to draw whatever you want me to draw as well. So then I really hope you have a great day today, and I will see you next time. Bye.